What if loneliness wasn't just a feeling, but something physically rewiring your brain right now? Scientists have discovered that chronic isolation changes the structure and chemistry of the human brain. And these changes affect how you think, feel, and even how you see other people. Let's explore what really happens inside a lonely mind. Humans evolved as deeply social creatures, wired to survive in tight-knit groups. For our ancestors, being alone meant danger, so the brain treats isolation as a threat. When you feel lonely, your brain triggers the same alarm system as physical pain. This is why rejection genuinely hurts. The brain processes it like a real injury. Loneliness floods your body with cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps you on high alert. Over time, elevated cortisol wears down the brain and weakens the immune system. One key region affected is the amygdala, your brain's fear and threat detector. In lonely people, this region becomes hyperactive, making the world feel more threatening. That's why lonely individuals often expect rejection before it even happens. Loneliness also shrinks activity in areas linked to empathy and social reward. So social interactions start to feel less pleasant and more exhausting. This creates a cruel cycle. The lonelier you feel, the more you withdraw. Research even links chronic loneliness to memory decline and shrinking gray matter. Studies show prolonged isolation can increase the risk of cognitive decline over the years. Loneliness also disrupts sleep, leaving the brain unable to fully rest and repair. Poor sleep then fuels more stress, anxiety, and emotional sensitivity. It's no surprise that loneliness is closely tied to depression and anxiety. But here's the hopeful part: your brain is incredibly adaptable. Thanks to neuroplasticity, the changes caused by loneliness can be reversed. Genuine connection lowers cortisol and calms that overactive threat system. Even small moments of warmth release oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Reaching out, however hard, gradually rewires your brain towards safety and trust. Try starting small: a text, a walk with a friend, or a shared meal. Quality matters more than quantity. One real connection can transform your mind. Remember, feeling lonely doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It's simply your brain asking for the connection it was built to need. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.